Alright, officer of the towing department, today we are going to do a legal tow and you will learn how to do a legal tow by yourself after the video. So, the first thing you need to make sure is that you are in the correct uniform, you have the correct weapon loadout and you have clocked in the correct body cam commands. Now currently we are in the HQ parking lot. As you can see, behind me you will find a tow truck parked in the alleyway, and rest of the tow trucks are parked in the green garage. If you don't find it here, just look for them in the green parked garage, and if you don't find them, ask any high command to do a car wash for you, and they will be available to you when the car wash is done. So let's go and do a legal tow and search for illegally parked vehicles. So we will be getting in the truck. Alright. Opening the gate. Make sure to close the gate as well. You don't want any trespassers. Let's go. Alright, officers, this truck right here is illegally parked. So what we are going to do is we are going to tow it. But first we need to search the information of this truck. So what we are going to do is, for the first thing, we are going to look if this truck has license plate on it or not. So I am searching for the license plate. Okay, there it is. There. So in case the vehicle has a license plate, you need to use the command searching the license plate, and if it does not have license plate, you need to use the command searching the VIN number. Both of the commands can be found in the emails under the body cam commands. The first one is to be used when there is a license plate, and the second one is to be used when there is no license plate. These are the only two legal ways to search the vehicle information. If you are not using them, everything you do is illegal. It's not valid. So since it does have a license plate, we are going to use the first one. I already have it with me in the notepad, so I'm just going to copy and paste it. Alright, it's there. And now after that, after I have put in the command, I need to take a screenshot of that as well. This screenshot will act as a proof that this car was illegally parked and we searched it legally in a valid way. Alright, after that we will search the information of the truck. So for that I need to copy the number of the truck, so I'll just use my RP chart 10XL. It's 10 XL273. Alright, I just open my flexing J muscle, then open PDA, searching license plate number that I have copied. It represents a tone delay, so I'm gonna take the screenshot of this as well. So we currently have two screenshots. The first with the command that we searched it legally, and it also acts as proof that this car was parked illegally, and we also now have the vehicle information. Another thing is that we also need to search if this is the owner is classified or not, because we cannot, as per the penal code or the laws of San Andreas, state of San Andreas, we cannot tow or fine a illegally parked vehicle of a classified citizen. So I'm just gonna be checking for the individual. So it is Tony. What's the name? Let me check again. Tony Delay. All right. Tony Delay. All right. So the individual is not classified, so we can go ahead and tow it. Let me take a screenshot of this as well for the future reference. So currently we have the proof that this car was illegally parked. We searched it legally, and this does not belong to any classified owner. After that, we need to search that this car was not fined today for the same traffic violation. So I do have the license plate number with me and the owner's name, so I'm just gonna head to the emails. In the emails, you need to go to the ticket logs. Alright, in the ticket logs you need to search the name of the vehicle. So it's since no result shows up, that means it has not been fined today for the same traffic violation. Like if this truck was on that spot, that will be considered a new traffic violation and we can go ahead and tow it. But currently there is no traffic violation for this, so this is the first one and we can go ahead and tow it. So we'll be flexing G muscle and evacuate the vehicle, taking a screenshot of this as well, saving it to the PDA. It will give you a confirmation message that you can start evacuating the vehicle. After that, just get in the tow truck. align properly with the rear and the front bumper of the truck. Make sure your hazard lights are on. Hold the control muscle to lower the toe. Alright, it has attached itself. Now hold your shift muscle to lift the toe up. Flex your E muscle to switch on hazard lights. The hazard lights are on. Alright, so we can now go ahead to the penalty parking. The penalty parking on the mat can be found through the stop sign. Alright, so now we will be heading towards the penalty parking to the impound lot. Make sure you drive under the 80 kilometers range, because if you go above the 80 kilometers, the chances of the vehicle getting detached from the tow truck are high. So we'll just head to the penalty parking now. Make sure you're only using the roads and not the highways. Okay, let's check what is the state value of this vehicle, because we are going to be needing it in future. So the value is 48,000. So the maximum you can also only find impound lot is 10% of the state value. So the 10% is going to be 4,800. So we are going to take it straight to the impound lot, the penalty parking. It's going to ask us for the amount, so the amount is going to be 4,800. No, the vehicle is in the impound lot. So the next thing we need to do right now is do the documentation. Make sure we have done the correct documentation, because if we do not have proper logs, the owner can come and demand a refund from us, and we will since we do not have any proofs that this car was illegally parked, we will have to give him the refund, and sometimes even twice the amount. So we will head straight to our tow logs, and like as above, we will just upload the proofs. And we will change the name. The name was Tony Devil. Tony Devil. The reason, we can find the reason in the towing guide or in the penal guide as well. So we'll be using the penal guide for towing. So currently it was blocking 2/3 of the sidewalk or the bike path. 6.3.8. We'll put the reason in there. The fine amount is gonna be 4,800, and that's it. So that was a legal way to tow a vehicle, to a illegally parked vehicle.